Hello everyone, this is your guy Primus and welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you my SaaS app which I have created for students and it's for free. It's currently for free and it all depends on the provider. So let me explain. InkTwin. Now what does this do? It converts your handwriting into text, paste or writable text in devices. You can create your font. It converts your real life handwriting into a font file. Then you can write with it, and there are AI study assistant and find your font. So let's go one by one. Here is the founder memo, and let's get started. So let me explain how this works. You will go to first aistudio.google.com. You can just directly click it, and then when you will arrive here, you will just have to copy your API key and paste it. This is the only reason the InkTwin is free. Now the InkTwin has 5 modes. Recently had 4, but now I have added a 5th mode. Now let's go with one by one. One is create your font. So what does it do? It creates your handwriting into a font. So when you go down there, you will see a download button and an upload button. So when you download it, it will download a PDF like this. This is the InkTwin template. Although the one you saw, it's the custom template which I created. So the InkTwin has power that it can just analyze from both the type of templates, or you can create your own. Just write boxes in your copy and create it as a template. But make sure it is accordingly to the template pasted here, like this, or it can be like this. Make sure they are in boxes and in order A to Z. Okay, and then when you upload it, let's say I upload it here, my output. Now you can add images as well. You can add multiple images, and then you can start AI analysis. It takes time, and I would suggest not to switch your tab. And this is for free, so you can at least support me by helping me in Razorpay or Kofi. It's not like no pressure, 100% free forever. So it's 100% free, does not depends on me, it depends on Gemini's API key. So if the API key changes, or if they change the API key limits, then it's not in my hands. But as long as the Gemini are doing are giving us a generous limits, we can actually use this SaaS app. Although I will find a way to add multiple API keys, for now you can see this how it works. It works now, it perfectly works. Now as you see, the template, it was inaccurate, and the template which I have wrote this in Canva, so that's why you can see some misplacement. But when you write it with your own hands while like printing it and then using it, you can do that as well. Now if I go to process and vectorize, it will now process it and convert it into a writable font. Now let's assemble it, and here you go. Now you can directly download it and save it to library, so it will permanently remembers it. Now if you like fix this and let's say make this slice smaller, yeah, it works as planned, and you can just change the size according to how you like it. When you save it, it's now saved to your library. Now if you go to the second section, which is write with my handwriting, it is here and active. Now you can write it from here, and whatever you wrote like hi, it will write here. And you can change the page style, you can edit its size, or you can also edit its height, line height, slanting, letter spacing, word spacing, margins, ink color, and there are some visual effects as well. You can also import Excel or CSV files directly here. Now I will decrease the size, and you can also upload your custom font which you already exist if you have. You can also add images, text, heading. So image is best for diagrams. And let's now you can, yeah, there is an important feature of AI edit. So you can just tell the AI to edit it for you. Now if we go to AI study assistant, now how does this work? It's just basically a cheat sheet. Basically what you can do, you can just upload your questions, it will automatically answer it, or step by step, and both working and final. It automatically solves homework for you. Now we will go to, like, it has directly a feature of humanize with AI. You can directly also humanize it with student, teen, formal, primary, rust student, yeah, all these type of. And you can also paste your AI, you can paste your text here, it will automatically get pasted from this Gemini answer. It will got pasted here and AI will humanize this. You can now then send it to writer, which is here. And yeah, if you take two line, if you think this is too long or too much for you, you can just to find your font. This is so simple that you just have to send a photo of your normal handwriting of a page where you have wrote. It will find the closest handwriting to yours. Currently in the laptop I do not have a written page, but whenever you have, you can use it. It's currently live and deployed, inktwin.primus.in. Now I will also, like, you can also change it to ink-twin.primus.in. It is same website. Yeah, same website. You can see, you can, it is a, here is a guide. And this is everything that I have built, and it's free for students. Those who want to support me, they can support me over here. Now if you want, you can also check out my website by clicking this, but this is just a portfolio website. So anything you want, yeah, you can just see my website as well, the things that I have built. And when you close it, you can see another one. Yeah, and what I have built and shipped, these custom, yeah. And yeah, if you want to check out my personal favorite section, you can also do that. I have a interactive 3D design so that people can understand that I can also build 3D design for them. And when you double tap it, you can actually see a world map. Now going back, you can also see the pricings and how we usually work together, also a hidden shader behind it. Then why you should select us and work with us. And now we will come here, you can also check my, like, GitHub activities, and here is my videos. Basically it will direct you to my YouTube channel. Here is my technical arsenal, my certifications, you can view them here. Here are my FAQs. And lastly, the connect section, where you can also interact with words, reassemble it, or reassemble it forever, which one is best. So this is all. Thank you for watching.